Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to review three of the most popular shade from one Filipino cosmetic line called Sunnies Face. The first one would be called Doll, second one will be Rust, and the third one will be in the shade of Biscuit. Beautiful, beautiful. So without further ado, let's begin. Oh, and by the way, we've got two lipstick to be reviewed called Decay and Mood. So these two beautiful lipstick we're going to swatch, and let's see how it looks like with me. Alright, let's begin. What you actually need to know about this product, it comes in 6 playful shades, but for now we're just going to review 3 of the most popular shades. And then the one that I'm using called Doll. And what they suggest before applying this product is, of course, you have to really moisturize your face, because if your face is dry, of course, the result will really, you will really not see the result. But now, as I can see, you can see I'm just using a tapping technique to distribute the product evenly, and I think it's really pretty. It's like you look like a doll, and it's lightweight, to be honest, and it has this, like velvety finish and matte. So what do you think, guys? I think it really has a sheer finish, and it's pretty. The shade is really simple, and it's like a doll-like AirBlush. And now we're gonna be applying it on the eyelid as an eyeshadow, and just see how it looks like. Sorry guys, I really think I have to try it on as a lipstick, and it's just simple. So now I hate this part, removing the makeup, and yes, we're just going to apply another shade of Sunny's Face. So we'll be ready for Rust. So hey guys, I've just removed all the makeup by wipes, and now we're gonna be applying the Rust. I'm excited. And did you know that this Sunnies is paraben free and cruelty free? And can you imagine that it's also made in Italy? Amazing, right? So now this is how it looks like. Oh wow. As you can see guys, I think I have applied a little too much of the product, but it still blends seamlessly in my face, and it's really a plus point. You guys, look at that. It's pretty. So now let's try raspberry, and see, I'm just gonna, oh, can you see that? Can you see how pigmented it is? And I just took a tiny little bit of amount, and it's really highly pigmented, and as usual you have to do the same technique and just build the intensity of the eyeshadow as much as you want. or until you achieve the look that you desire. So